वेलकम बैक टू बोल बसंती पॉडकास्ट सीजन 3। और आज मेरे साथ जो मेरी गेस्ट है वो मेरी गेस्ट से ज्यादा मेरी दोस्त, मेरी कॉलीग है। आई मेट हर इन हैदराबाद एट वन ऑफ द प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस दैट आई यूज्ड टू वर्क विद। शी वाज देयर इन द कैपेसिटी ऑफ अ क्रिएटिव डायरेक्टर और हम दोनों का रूम एक था, कैबिन एक था, क्योंकि वो क्रिएटिव डायरेक्टर थी और मैं क्रिएटिव प्रोड्यूसर थी। सो ऑब्वियसली द क्रिएटिव टीम हैड टू सिट टुगेदर। बट आई थिंक हमने सिर्फ साथ बैठने के साथ साथ, काम करने के साथ साथ अपनी बहुत सारी लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस, आई थिंक जर्नीज, जोक्स, पता नहीं क्या क्या शेयर किया होगा। शी इज वन ऑफ द ट्रायो that was missing that we spoke about in our previous podcast with Pratyusha. So I welcome Meghna. Meghna Kopala, who is a creative person in totality because she's a content writer, she's a poet, she's a teacher at many management schools and she teaches communication and storytelling. Hello Meghna, what's up?
Hello.
कितने सालों बाद ना
लाइफ ही चेंज हो गया एकदम
Actually,
हम दोनों का एक्चुअली
बट तुम्हारा ज्यादा। Congratulations
ये मैं ले लूंगी।
तुम्हारी
Thank you,
शादी।
thank you.
I'm sorry मैं नहीं आ पाई, dad wasn't well. So मेघना, of course हम मिले, काम के थ्रू मिले, पर I want to know this thing from your end. अभी तक मैंने ये सवाल किसी से नहीं पूछा है।
पूछो पूछो।
What was your impression of me when we only spoke on the call before I was, I joined in? And what was your impression after meeting me? And what was your impression after knowing whatever bit? But ये 3 stages में what was your impression and how good or bad it became eventually?
तो ऑनेस्टली फुल अनफिल्टर्ड बोलो ना
एकदम अनफिल्टर्ड दिल से।
चलो बढ़िया।
गुड बैड अगली व्हाटएवर इट इज, I'm all ready to take it.
I'll tell you. मेरे साथ क्या हुआ, like once I left Delhi and came to Hyderabad, so there's a pace of working, right? And a way you talk and express yourself about that work. तो कहीं ना कहीं I was missing that fast-paced, quick thinkers, quick talkers, and then like you know that they'll get things done. तो तुमसे फोन पे बात करके वो मेरे लिए था. Which is why if you notice, like I really pushed for you. I was like, listen, I'm rooting for you. Because उसमें थोड़ा मेरा selfish side भी था कि भाई ये लड़की है वैसी, मतलब जो दिल्ली में जैसे मैं काम करती थी, like how people are on top of it, you know, and like everything structured and creative both at the same time. तो वो मुझे दिखा तुम में, phone call में समझ आ गया मुझे वो चीज. So there I was like more professionally impressed, I would say. And then but once we met, it was more of a वो personal layer भी add हो गया उसमें. So I am, I think, that way very opposite of you. That could also be why we connected so much and you ended up sharing. Because मैं तो अपना पूरा personal सब रख देती हूँ, मेरे लिए वो professional personal ऐसे हो ही नहीं पाता मुझसे. Okay. I think it's just a part of me and who I am. कि सारा आ जाता है वो, चाहे it's with colleagues, with bosses, with subordinates. It's just I end up sharing about my life. I think that's why somewhere I felt this is somebody who's a friend now, you know, not just a colleague. I might leave this place, she might leave this place, but I'll carry her along.
Because we did keep in touch even when both of us also left and you were traveling around, and we did keep in touch. I was very much interested in your love life and your personal life.
For some reason you were very curious.
If you have the right set of people around you at work, then work is not only fun, but it can get personal and you can be personal with those people. वो मुझे vibe शायद बहुत लोगों से नहीं आई, because मुझे वो comfort शायद नहीं मिला, या maybe I didn't just feel it. But with you guys it was something magic on. और मैं शुरू हो गई. Sir, एक बात बताओ. I remember you had mentioned that you had worked for Soultree.
Correct.
One of the products I used to use, like, I used to work for it. I was like, great, I love their products. So ये realization कब हुआ तुम्हें कि like, you know, creative field or content writing or whatever, because I know कि you're not a person who's limited to one aspect of creativity. You're a creative person all in all. Or what was that something that happened, some incident which just occurred to you in your life and you were like, this is what I'm made for?
So 12th के बाद there was this moment where I was almost like at this crossroads. I was either going to do a graduation in mathematics or take up visual communication. तो literally मतलब ये दो extremes थे मेरे, and now the thing is I love math. So I almost went into that and then I would have become a math professor probably. But I don't know, like at that point, तो मेरे साथ ये कि I've always had good mentors and teachers. It's just I've been grateful. हुआ है हमेशा. तो there were a couple of people, उन्होंने कुछ ऐसे पढ़ लिया होगा मैंने जो लिखा, and they said you should, you know, really go into writing and you should learn communication professionally and take it up. तो I don't know what it was, शायद वो attract भी कर रहा था मुझे कि सुनने में कुछ नया है. I'd never heard that anyone had studied communication, you know. Could be that, I don't know what it is, but math and communication दोनों का pool equally strong था मेरे लिए. And even today I apply mathematics in my creativity. Like मतलब मेरे लिए pattern, structure, everything is connected. There is, you know, probability involved. वो सब तो है ही, मेरा दिमाग ऐसे ही चलता है थोड़ा structured सा. So that way it's still there, but I think creativity अगर मैं बोलूँ तो बचपन से रहा है वो. This need to be connected with stories. I was probably like what 3 or 4 years when my parents took me to a theater. और ऐसे बिठा दिया, एक तेलुगु ऐसे ही वो सिंगल स्क्रीन थिएटर्स में. वो नहीं होता था कि बीच में ऐसे सीढ़ियां है और दोनों साइड, तो बच्चों को तब सीढ़ियों पे बिठा देते थे. तो मैं सीढ़ी पे बैठी हूँ तो एक सीन आता है बड़े स्क्रीन पे कि एक कैरेक्टर इज लाइक आ जाओ जो खाने बैठ जाओ अभी लंच के लिए. एंड मी दिस 4-year-old फ्रॉम द ऑडियंस स्टेप से चिल्ला रही है, अरे रुको रुको मेरे आने तक शुरू मत करना. तो तब से लाइक आई थिंक ऑलवेज आई वांटेड टू इंटरैक्ट विद द स्क्रीन एंड स्टोरीज. एंड कभी कभी मम्मी उठती थी सुबह 4 बजे एंड शी वुड फाइंड मी कि मैं हैरी पॉटर पढ़ते हुए रो रही हूँ, यू नो लाइक. तो हमेशा से ही था लाइक द नीड टू अब्सॉर्ब स्टोरीज, फिक्शनल स्पेशली, हमेशा से था. तो आई थिंक आफ्टर अ पॉइंट आई स्लोली स्टार्टेड क्रिएटिंग, राइटिंग, ऑल ऑफ दैट एज वेल.
तो क्रिएटिविटी के लिए क्या खाती हो तुम?
यार मैं बहुत चीजें देखती हूँ और सच यही है. मतलब आई वुड लाइक टू से कि मैं बहुत पढ़ती भी हूँ, पर कुछ सालों में उतना नहीं पढ़ा मैंने. But like I watch a lot of stuff, like movies, shows, documentaries. Like I'm constantly watching something.
So you watch a lot of content.
Yeah, all kinds. मतलब I don't limit myself. मतलब कोई आके बोलेगा ये क्यों देख रहे हो यार, इससे बेटर तो तुम वो देख लो. But I feel कभी कभी हम अच्छी चीजें तो देखते हैं, पर अब ऐसा हो गया हर कोई वही 10 चीजें देख रहे हैं because oh they're supposed to be the most underrated. So like now underrated is the new overrated. कि people be like, oh this nobody has seen, you should watch this. पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है नहीं यार, मुझे स्त्री 2 भी देखना है. मतलब मैं वो सब चीजें भी देखूंगी. Probably मैं शायद सिंघम अगेन भी डेयर करके देख लूंगी एक दिन. तो वो मुझे I think somewhere है वो that taking, absorbing that creativity. I think it doesn't just happen from great content. It can happen from somebody who tried and couldn't get it also.
And what you would have done to make it better.
Correct. So what was missing in it से बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलता है.
Exactly.
What could have been done better में अपना खुद का दिमाग चलता है.
I want to know like you. I knew कि तुम पहले भी पढ़ाती थी, but I didn't know what exactly do you teach. So when you teach at these management schools, I'm not able to wrap my head around this thing. You teach them communication, okay, maybe to a level. Storytelling. To management schools. Matlab, this is something very new to me.
So this is something I believe because in somewhere my advertising, branding, all those days also helped me there. But I've met so many like peers in the management consulting is space mein. And even in my studying days when I was studying in Vedika, who are very like technical, structured and logical in thinking. And they're very talented also. But kahin na kahin, like when then you start expressing yourself now, you sound like now I have a good reference point. You sound like ChatGPT. Matlab, so somewhere that humanity or that uniqueness that you would bring that would separate you from me, wo nahi hota tha. So that I think
it was mechanical.
Yeah, mechanical and very like plain, soulless, basically two-dimensional. तो वो मुझे लगा कि स्टोरी टेलिंग एवरी पर्सन शुड बी एबल टू डू फॉर देमसेल्व्स, लाइक हु दे आर, व्हाट दे डू, व्हाई दे डू व्हाट दे डू, राइट? एंड देन फॉर द वर्क दे डू. तो इफ सपोज आई हैव एन अपडेट टू गिव अबाउट वर्क और आई हैव से अ प्रेजेंटेशन टू मेक अबाउट अ न्यू आइडिया आई हैव, तो मेनी टाइम्स इवन इन वर्क यू नीड टू टेल समथिंग इन अ स्टोरी फॉर्म. तो मुझे वो जो स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ टेलिंग अ स्टोरी है ना, आई थॉट इट वुड बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर दीज मैनेजमेंट स्टूडेंट्स स्पेशली. एंड हैविंग बीन वन माई सेल्फ, आई सॉ दैट गैप कि भाई कहीं ना कहीं यू नो लाइक people get so lost in the mechanics of it that they're taking away the originality and creativity from it. So storytelling is that. Is context में that whatever they have, whatever work they have, even if it's an interview they're giving for themselves, how can they creatively project themselves or the work or the product or the service?
So it is more than just a presentation.
Yeah. So presentations are one part of it. Through writing, through speaking, how to even read and comprehend something. Pura 360 of communication.
So how did you, I'm sure this was not like a part of the curriculum.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So did you pitch yourself, or because you had studied there, so that's when it started, and obviously it started growing to other management schools also. But how did it start? Like this was your thought, but how did you start?
ये भी एक story है अपने अपने. So
please.
I was studying at this place called Vedika Scholars Program. It's in Delhi. एंड वो वहां पे क्या है, इट्स अ मैनेजमेंट कॉलेज विथ लिबरल आर्ट्स.
वाओ.
तो लिबरल आर्ट्स, पर्सनल ग्रोथ, कम्युनिकेशन, मैनेजमेंट सब मिला के होता है वहाँ पे.
हम्म.
तो कॉलेज ऑलरेडी मतलब द पीपल हु स्टार्टेड इट उनके थिंकिंग में था ही कि कम्युनिकेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड सो इट वाज लाइक 34 ऑफ अस, 18 सब्जेक्ट्स. No, sorry, we had 40 subjects in 18 months.
Oh wow.
Okay, so it was a rigorous course.
Of course.
और almost हर दूसरे course के बाद we had to present. And it was the same 34 people. So after a point, it was just getting boring. Like before the person even goes and stands there, at least for me, the way my brain works, I knew ये कैसे बात करने वाले, आधे time क्या बोलने वाले, उनके slides कैसे दिखेंगे. So it was just like for me getting very boring. So then I thought ठीक है, बाकी 33 को तो मैं क्या ही बोलूँ, but at least I will start making थोड़ा exciting, engaging presentations. So then I started making थोड़ा, I tried something हटके, and you know, I went for an internship and came back. Then we had to present. So ऐसे when I presented, and the dean of the college was there as a judge, and she saw that, she called me, she said, listen, how did you do that? So she was totally impressed with what I had done. Like just the fact that ऐसा भी कुछ कर सकते हैं, you know. So she called me, she said, listen, I want you to teach this to the rest of your whole batch. So my classmates only.
Your current batch was your class.
Correct. But it wasn't. So तब तो हम graduate होके चले गए. तो I thought अच्छा ठीक है, उस moment में से होता है ना, you get impressed, तुम बोल देते हो चीजें.
moment में बोल दिया, फिर उसके बाद भूल जाते
हैं. So I didn't make much of it. After graduating, I started working at Soul Tree, which you mentioned. हो गए कुछ 4-5 महीने, and suddenly I get a call from the program team of Vedika, and they tell me क्या हो गया, तुम तो पढ़ाने वाले थे course क्या, like what, why didn't you give us any like course outline? Okay, that was a serious thing, like I'm supposed to do it. Then I made a course outline, I shared it, and so the first batch I ever taught was my own college के मेरे juniors who I knew already when I was studying there. So I taught them, and then slowly like the news started to spread, and these program team people, they have different colleges, people keep moving here and there. So then in Ladakh I started teaching, in Jaipur I started teaching, Delhi couple of other places, Hyderabad now I teach. ऐसे ऐसे करके spread हो गया.
So अभी हाल फिलहाल what is that is keeping you up, like apart from your work? Husband मत बोलना.
नहीं, मतलब yes also, but that's not my answer. No, I think husband तो नहीं, but like relationships I'm looking with a new lens, तो वो एक बोलूंगी.
Okay.
And then the other would be just, I think somewhere I'm trying to relate myself and my passion and just sort of bring it together.
Okay.
क्योंकि काम तो हो रहा है, बहुत काम हो रहा है, but I think somewhere like what gives me that satisfaction. तो एक sort of एक triangle बन गया वो relationships, inner peace, satisfaction and passion के बीच में. I'm in that triangle, I'm sort of dancing.
Like how you said कि अब तुम relationship को एक नए angle से, एक नए perspective से देख रहे हो. So when you say that, do you mean any and every relationship in your life? And if yes or no, why? And what does that change? The perspective that we are talking about, there's a shift in that perspective. What is that shift?
What is the theme of my life right now?
Maybe, let's put it that way. What is the theme that is going on in your life right now?
एक तो yes, relationships, like how I'm looking at them has changed, I would say. Like there is a season 2 कह लो. मेरे life का season 2 हो गया.
2.2.
Pretty much. Okay. And वो तो एक है, and then like I'm also thinking about the purpose of my life, like passion, like what do I want to do with it. So I think that way, because mind बहुत चीजों में settle हो गया है, तो ये सब चीजें भी ऐसे focus में आ गए कि what do I want to do. तो ये दोनों को मिला के like it's sort of like a triangle कि भाई then who am I, and like you know, so that part of how will I contribute to my own peace and hence others around me. तो वो है. So I think what happens is we all have this perspective of the kind of life we want to live. And मेरे लिए वो हमेशा था कि you know I want the right partner, and you know I want life to be a certain way. तो मुझे ये लगता था कि if I'm with the right person and I'm being the right person, सब set हो जाएगा मेरे life में. But then somewhere I think in my expectations or in my version, क्योंकि हम इतने creative तो है ही दिमाग भाई, अब पूरा ऐसे बना लिया था script मैंने अपने ही life का. एंड यूजुअली अब तुम वो भी एक ना एक अलग वो क्रिएटिव ईगो ही कह लो उसको. तो दैट क्रिएटिव ईगो आई थिंक समवेयर हैज बीन ब्रोकन डाउन नाउ सिंस आई गॉट मैरिड. आई मीन तो सो दैट वन रिलेशनशिप, एंड आई टेल यू व्हाट्स डिफरेंट. तो अभी तक ना मैंने बड़े चालाकी से, और हम सब करते हैं बड़े चालाकी से, मैं एक इमेज बनाया हुआ था कि मैं ये हूँ, मतलब देखना, मतलब शांत, कंपोज्ड, यू नो, लाइक एक तो खुद भी शांत है, बाकी सबको भी बोलेंगे लाइक यू सेड शांत कर दो. what happens is so
But
far
I
like
did see your other bubbly crazy side also.
वो सब है, वो different है,
हाँ.
but I don't think even I saw some sides of myself
हाँ.
because the difference is processing time. अभी तक जो मेरा जो space है मेरे bubble में कोई और enter नहीं कर सकते because once I go into my bedroom, it's my room, it's my thing. मेरे को रोना है, मेरे को चिल्लाना है, रात भर उठ के process कर रही हूँ, you know, whatever it is, like I have that time and space to just release those things. But the thing is, once you like marry someone or even start living with someone, वो कम हो जाता है because they start sensing.
Yeah, then your
what's
space is somewhere
happening.
shared space now.
Correct. So sometimes like probably I would process it in 2 hours, and then I would have never had an anger episode, which was the case. But अब मेरा आ रहा है गुस्सा क्योंकि कोई उस time पे poke कर रहे हैं मुझे, when I'm, you know, like. And that showed me so much about myself to me. So these beliefs I had about myself कि मुझे तो गुस्सा नहीं आता है, मुझे jealousy नहीं होती है, मैं कभी insecure नहीं होती, you know, I'm never so sad that I'll play the victim. ऐसे like I had few beliefs about self beliefs, which were all crushed. And I'm glad they were. So this one relationship then started to show me my other relationships also. कि shit, like यार ये तो मैं अपने mother के साथ भी ऐसे करती थी. You know, maybe I shouldn't have done that, or I talk to her this way. You know, ये गलत है. Or with my sister something different. With my friends. So I think this one relationship where my safe space has now extended to have another person in it is showing to me who I am also. But it's helping me like deepen my relationship with others also. Partner के साथ तो है ही भाई, वो तो है ही, और उसकी भी equally वाट लगी हुई है, ऐसा नहीं है.
And obviously we are all exploring ourselves, and the good part is that, you know, somebody that special is bringing in that change, and a good change which you are welcoming, right. And you are reflecting on yourself, and it's making your relationship with others one relationship in your life, and that relationship is, and I think हम सबका कहीं ना कहीं, हम चाहे कितना भी मटेरियलिस्टिक वर्ल्ड में करते, कहीं ना कहीं वो जवाब, हम हमेशा उस सवाल का जवाब ढूंढ रहे होते, which is like, who are we? If you find a partner like that, who brings that reality on your face and gives you that safe space that you still can be yourself, you don't have to shy away from being that. And I think that also helps us कि हमारा realization तो हो रहा है, but कई बार realization के बाद ना हम उस चीज से या तो जी भी चुरा सकते हैं. Like you could have easily said नहीं ऐसा नहीं, आप defensive हो सकते हो. But here, if you have the right partner who makes you realize something about yourself which you were not aware, certain emotions that you were not aware कि ये तो मैं हो ही नहीं सकती. But here, instead of coming on a defensive zone, you're accepting it, because somewhere you are accepting it. Probably he's also giving you that safe space. I mean, I've not met your partner, but I've heard so much about him from you. I did see his picture, and I could see the smile on your face. Not that you never smiled before, but that smile was not just for the person that you love. It was like you were the happiest, the most yourself, I think, with him, is what I saw. And I remember जब तुमने share किया था, I was like, you know what, I can see that he brings the best out of you, he brings the good out of you, and so much so that you will not only love him, but you will start falling all the more with your own self. And that's, I think, a true partnership. If a person in your life can make you feel not just the love that you have been wanting, but also the fact that make you fall in love with your own self. अगर है भी self love, तो उसको भी अगर वो कोई बढ़ा दे, तो इससे अच्छा कोई partner. I'm sure that's what you're doing to him also.
Pretty much. I'll add to what you said. Best out of each other तो हम कर ही रहे, but उससे ज़्यादा important है bringing out the worst out of each other. पर वो भाई कितना जरूरी है यार. वो है. That is why that smile, I guess, because when the worst starts coming out of you, now you stopped carrying the weight of it. Yeah. And that's what it is. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि किसी ऐसे 20 किलो का सिर्फ पत्थर था मेरे शोल्डर पे. Like you start accepting कि हम flawed हैं और हाँ हैं. Release करके रख दिया है आपको वैसे. So that's why I feel that like light and touch wood. चलो थोड़ी सी पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में बात करते हैं. Like I am very interested in people's love life. Okay, as you know. And you did tell me that you knew him, but I want to know, like, how did you guys meet? How did he propose? Who proposed first? Who felt? मतलब all of that. You know the nitty-gritty details. मुझे अपनी वो love story बताओ. यार अब some things are I think off camera for sure. I understand. Whatever you feel that you cannot. I'll tell you like most of 85% of it. I'll tell you. I think mathematical brain, as I said. No, so I think we met a long time ago actually. When one of the people that I write with, he called me and said, "Do you trust me?" I was like, "Yeah, sure." What happened? It was one random midweek evening. I said, "Yeah, sure." What happened? Phone उठाया, "Do you trust me?" हाँ. And I said, yeah, okay, yeah, do tell me. And then he said, there is this guy I met. He's a brilliant singer, and I think you should host him at your house.
You have some sort of
Haan,
sessions
correct.
at your jamming creative
So
sessions
at my
your place.
house, and because he's a Hindustani classical singer, so
Oh wow.
at my house, my grandparents, my parents, my sister, and all her friends, and all my friends, everybody showed up to that Baithak. And I was hosting that event, and he happened to be there, and that's how we met. So that's how we met, which was in itself like, ये क्या हो गया? But I don't think we ever like
पहली
saw
बार
it
पूरी
as
बारात के साथ ही मिला है
हाँ, पूरा फैमिली एक ही बार में मिल लिया उसमें. So for him like it was already, if he had any filters वो टिक हो ही गए थे. But I think after that for a year or so we didn't date. We met couple of times. Like he had some Baithaks at his house. But after a year, and I was also in a different situation than I was dating someone else.
Yeah.
All of that. But I think it just so happened that once I got done with, for whatever reasons, that relationship ended, and somewhere I was in a space where finally I gave up that वो desperation जो होता है ना, partner चाहिए यार, अकेली हूँ. I don't know what that desperation was. I gave it up finally. ठीक है भाई, मैं अपने आप में सेट हूँ. तो मतलब ये केक कंप्लीट है. ऐसे ही खाओगे तो बढ़िया है, ऐसे ही खाओगे तो भी बढ़िया, बट आइसिंग कोई मिल गया पार्टनर तो वो आइसिंग है बस. तो दैट्स हाउ लाइक, सो फाइनली आई मेड पीस विद my life and like gave up that desperation about it. And then again we met. It just so happened मैंने randomly उसको बुला लिया एक board game cafe में कि चलो जाके board games खेलते हैं. मेरा that gang that you were talking about, my friends, the whole gang was there.
फिर से
तो पूरी family से तो मिली.
family अब दोस्त लोग check out करेंगे.
इन दोस्तों से मिलने के बाद तो पता ही चल जाता है सब कितने पागल है, और उसके बाद भी अगर कोई मतलब wanting to stick around then you're like okay fine, they have patience. So उसके बाद then we started meeting, we went, तो हम सारे पूरा गैंग मिलके we went to this like sort of pool party and हो गया यार, कब हुआ पता भी नहीं चला. And then there was this like sort of this pull we had towards each other. And अब वो पूरा vibe suddenly बदल गया because all my friends they were like मैसेज करके हम like पर क्या like, so I didn't say anything. My husband also back then didn't say anything कि वो मुझे तुम बहुत पसंद है ना दैट, बट कभी कभी वो रात को ऐसे गाने गा के भेज देता था which is cute only, and I anyhow love his voice that I objectively love. Now अब तो bias आ गया, अब क्या बोलूं मैं. So and then friends were all like दो दिल मिल रहे हैं, पूरा vibe create कर चुके हैं सब, and yeah I think that's how it started, but slowly and then everything just happened ऐसे. The first time I was the one who expressed actually. वो बेचारा थोड़ा है शर्मीले टाइप का वो, and he hadn't dated anyone for like a long time. Long मतलब कुछ 6 साल से ज्यादा से भी he was like single. तो उसका और भी था वो शर्म के मारे, उसको पता भी नहीं था does she like me not. तो उस hesitation में he didn't do anything. But this one day like मैं पूरा guts निकाल के अंदर से, and it just so happens to be the Telugu New Year, उगादी था उस दिन. I just messaged him, I said listen ये है scene. So and he was full excited. He was, and turns out he also had a thing for me. तो वो मेरे लिए था अरे यार ये क्या हो गया. It took me a while to process क्योंकि he also likes me, and then we had that whole like oh butterflies करके he's messaging before he's coming. So we had that whole like phase of dating which lasted a week exactly. Because it so happens that वो हर चीज अपने parents के साथ share करता है, and I also do the same. तो parents तो भाई starting से involved थे हमेशा से. तो कब कैसे रोका हो गया, कैसे शादी हो गई पता भी नहीं चला है. If we really think about it, एक हफ्ते पहले हमको पता भी नहीं था कि we like each other, और 1 महीने बाद रोका हो चुका है. ऐसा था हमारा मामला.
तो अच्छा है ना, ऐसे लाइफ चली जाती पता भी नहीं चलता.
The best part is the kind of stubborn and irritable person that I am when my parents are like ये करो ऐसे push करते हैं ना जब button है like go away, you know, just. And he's also like that. So we are the kind of people who will never do something if, you know, especially when parents imposed. But इस time पे कोई भी कुछ भी impose कर ले, अच्छा रोका करना ठीक है कर लेंगे, शादी करनी है ठीक है कर लेंगे, अच्छा मंदिर में करना है कर लेंगे, ये इधर properly विजयवाड़ा में करना है वो भी कर लेंगे. I think you know when it is right now, so everything you don't mind. Correct. तो वो ऐसा फ्लो हुआ ना, मतलब I was like अच्छा ये होता है go with the flow. ये मीनिंग है इस फ्रेज का.
Go with the flow. If you are the right person, everything is obviously वो flow अपने आप ही बन जाता है, आपको कुछ force नहीं करना पड़ता.
And it was so funny, मतलब like मंडप पे हम शादी वादी कर रहे हैं, and then somebody asked these questions, right? Someone said, where did you propose? What was the engagement like? And we're looking at each other like, हमने से किसी ने तो किसी को प्रपोज नहीं किया भाई. There was no ring involved, there was no proposal, none of those things.
Wow.
Yeah, but I think we're
Quite
now
a love
living our
story.
honeymoon phase where we're dating, we travel, like पिछले ये 2-3 महीनों में 4-5 जगह जा रहे हैं हम.
Oh,
तो
lovely.
yeah,
And I
now it's
always say, you know, couples, whether before marriage, you should travel, and if not, and after, like travel is something I think that gives so much insight about the person,
totally, totally.
And if you're, you know, and which you both are very capable of accepting each other,
Right.
it will only make the relationship and everything like better, beautiful, and stronger. Is what I believe.
Totally. तुमने जो बोला इससे मुझे याद है, one of the things that happened after Ugadi, like a week into that, we had to go to Delhi and bring his car. तो हम जयपुर, पहले मैं जयपुर में पढ़ा रही थी, दिल्ली से हम जयपुर गए उसके गाड़ी में, then जयपुर से हम हैदराबाद आए, long drive पूरा, and that was like into a week of dating, I think. तो वो जब जयपुर से हम यहाँ पहुंचे, it was like a 30-40 hour thing, पूरा सिर्फ कार में, and we didn't even like take a hotel or anything, so it was all like car में. And then I remember at the end of the journey he said something like, यार तुम तो बड़ी किफायती हो, and I was like, अच्छा वो क्या होता है? Then he was like, नहीं तुम कॉफी भी नेक्स्ट लेवल, ऐसे कोल्ड कॉफी, ऐसे उस लेवल का भी फैंसी कैफे में बैठ के भी पी लोगे, और ऐसे रास्ते चलते रोड पे ऐसे फुटपाथ पे बैठ के भी तुम चाय पी लोगे, तो तुम दोनों कर लेते हो, और तुम्हारे तो कोई डिमांड्स ही नहीं है. मतलब
you get to know a lot about a person.
तो I think somewhere, and मेरे साथ भी सेम हुआ for him. And after that like 30 hour drive, we're like, fine, sure, अब तो कुछ भी करवा लो हमसे.
अब तो हम लोग कुछ भी
So no, this is तो a suggestion I'll give you and probably anybody who's dating and even thinking of making it serious, but at least take हफ्ते का trip या कोई भी trip you should take with someone where only 50% things are planned.
Do travel with your partner before committing and saying like a final and being sure about the person. Please make sure that you travel. At least 1 से 2 trip, and best होगा hybrid हो कि the good and the bad. और ऐसी कोई जगह जाना, आप गए हो ना जब हो गए, unplanned एकदम करके जाओ, because वो situations में you'll get to know a lot about a person. You'll get to know कि वो given situation में कैसे behave, react या respond करते हैं. Gives a lot of insight. Then you know कि हाँ ये इंसान, क्योंकि अगर वो उस कुछ भी घंटे की या कुछ दिनों की जर्नी में, वो ट्रिप में where you're living at, I तो प्रेफर बैकपैकिंग हो, वैसे टाइप का हॉस्टल वाले टाइप वाली लाइफ हो, बट अगर किसी को है कि थोड़ा अनकंफर्टेबल, चलो ठीक है, बट मिक्स मैच कर लो कि थोड़ा सा कहीं छोटे से उसमें लेगा, कहीं पर थोड़ा बेटर ले लिया, बट ईदर वेज यू विल गेट टू नो, जैसे हाउ ही फिगर्ड आउट एंड यू आल्सो फिगर्ड आउट कि आप बड़े से बड़े 5 स्टार में लेके जाओगे तो भी है, आप मुझे जाके रोड साइड ढाबा खाने को बोलोगे तो भी आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम. देन यू नो कि इतनी जल्दी अडैप्ट करता है, एडजस्ट करता है, नहीं करता है, क्या उसके लिमिटेशंस हैं, क्या वो कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करना चाहता है, दैट देयर ओन set of rules that they have set out for themselves, how flexible they are as people or how rigid they are, you know, all of that. You have been a person who does travel.
That has always been a thing for me, so I've always done that, like chahe out of country or within the country. I don't know, I just somewhere feel that if I've earned a certain amount of money, उसमें से थोड़ा save करो और travel करो, like that has always been my thing. So based on how much I earn and save, I travel, but travel is always a part of
and
life,
what is that makes you, like, what do you seek out when you're traveling, or what is that, I don't know, why is travel so important to you?
Yeah, मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना, it's the best like punch to your ego. It's the largest punch, because क्या होता है, तुम जो बबल की बात कर रहे हो ना, जो लाइफ के इश्यूज है, लाइक चाहे वो वर्क में हो, फैमिली में हो, नेबर्स के साथ हो, कुछ भी हो, द सिटी यू लिव इन हो, you get stuck in a bubble and we're all in our bubbles. हम कोई अलग नहीं है, वो golden cage वाले जो birds जो analogy है, right? कि बंद हो सोने की तिजोरी में, वही मैटर है, वही मामला है, and then you get so comfortable in it, and वो ego को, it's like you're feeding that ego, and you're feeding your क्या कहते हैं उसको, ignorance also, कि यही दुनिया है, पर यही दुनिया नहीं है.
Traveling actually helps you surrender, makes you realize that you're nothing, you're just a speck, a small speck on this big planet Earth, and उससे भी ज्यादा ही छोटा speck of the solar system and galaxy, और तो उसमें जाते ही नहीं, आप कुछ हो ही नहीं, and you realize कि क्या सोच के हम क्या इतना मतलब लेके चल रहे हैं, कुछ भी नहीं है. और जो I think another realization जो हम कहते हैं ना, क्या लेकर आए हो क्या लेकर जाओगे, I think that also realizes कि हम, the only thing that you can take away with you, or which will live once you've left, are these experiences that you have shared with people, and you know what you made them feel, how they made you feel is what is left
correct,
once you are not on this planet.
Yeah,
None
yeah,
of your
totally,
successes, none of
totally.
your money, none of your villas and gadis and watches and jewelry is going to be, कोई मिस नहीं करेगा आपको. ये सब चीजें आपको मिस नहीं करने वाली हैं. People who
Yeah.
miss you are will miss you for the person that you are or were,
Right,
and
right.
what how you made them feel
Correct, exactly.
when you met them.
Mhm.
Just having the gratitude for whatever you have in your life,
Yeah.
and what are small little things are happening, everything. I mean, you can find reasons to be upset about, but I'm telling you, I feel that life gives you far much more bigger reasons, which you might find कि it's a छोटी सी चीज है, but if you just start becoming grateful about it,
Yeah.
ये पूरा perspective life का change हो जाता है. Thank you so much for being a part of my life, and thank you so much for coming on the podcast, because it does mean a lot to me.
Yeah.
I'm not saying I'm anybody to select, but I genuinely wanted those people who have somewhere taught me something, have been instrumental in my journey, so that my audience gets to know that you don't need to go afar. You can find your people who can inspire you, motivate you, teach you something. They're right next to you, around you, and you don't have to go anywhere. They're accessible. But
thank you. अब मुझे भी बोलना है.
Yes,
I
please,
want
I
to
was
say
about to
something
say,
about you.
Please, if you have anything to say
Yeah,
or
yeah.
ask, please feel free.
No, I just want to say, initially you asked like how I felt when I met you for the first time. First impression, then after we met, and then finally now what I feel. I didn't answer the third part, so I think abhi badhiya time hai to answer that. No, I think like now what I realize, and even through the course of working together, but uske baad bhi, like one thing that I loved, and like really I just stole that trait from you, honestly, is to be brutally honest with people, and that is something I've really learned, because I was a very diplomatic person. मतलब I always felt that इनको ऐसे इतना बोल दो, sugar coat कर दो, everybody should be happy. So this need to please everybody, and in that I left myself at the end. So I think seeing you, I really learned that from you, that you can still be brutally honest, be respectful, even humorous if possible. So वो चीज like was an inspiration for me. That, and like the second thing, how you just observe people and know about them. Like all you need is a photo or just them to stand in front of you or hear their
I've been told
voice.
so still. Oh, you're a fake. I said I don't know about a reader, but I just sense energy.
Yeah, so I think somewhere that also like just it happens when you take your mind out of yourself.
Okay.
आधे से ज्यादा लोग तो अपने में खोए हुए रहते हैं ना. मैं कुछ और वो कह रही हूँ इसलिए मैं जो सिर्फ मैं मी में खोए रहते हैं ना, वो किसी और को ऑब्जर्व नहीं कर पाते. उनको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा है. And trust me, like these days, like I've met so many people who are so lost in themselves, that they don't care about being curious about other people, other places, other things. So I think that is something I really admire about you also, that you are curious, that you are an observer basically, and then of course you have the skills to express it. वो तो है ही, वो तो plus है, but I think वो जो nature में है तुम्हारे, please, I hope you keep it. And
अब कहाँ पे बुढ़ापा आ गया?
I'm inspired by it. So.
अब तो बुढ़ापा आ गया, अब कहाँ से?
अरे क्यों नहीं, मेरे बुढ़ापा तो क्या हो गया, इतना भी नहीं है.
But anything you want to ask?
Ask you?
हाँ.
So what are you looking forward to in life right now?
I'm looking forward to life.
पूरा.
Yeah. I've always believed that मेरे लिए destination was never important. Like हाँ ठीक है, अपने goal set कर दे, whatever. But I always focused on the journey. So, and I made sure कि आपकी journey में जो भी है ना, fully enjoy करो. If you feel bad, feel bad. If you feel great. And don't be apologetic about whatever you're feeling. So हमेशा लाइफ में ये रहा कि जो भी है, जो भी आपको परोसा जा रहा है, उसको उस मोमेंट में एंजॉय करो, एंड देन लुक आउट फॉर अनदर एक्सपीरियंस. मेरी लाइफ को कैप्चर करे या ना करे, मेरे दिमाग में मेरी लाइफ एक पिक्चर है, और इतने ब्यूटीफुल कैरेक्टर्स मुझे ऊपर वाले ने नवाजे हैं, एंड डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स, गुड बैड अगली विलन हीरो हीरोइन सब दिए हैं मुझे, कि मुझे लगता है यार हर किसी में एक कहानी है और मुझे वो कहानी जाननी है. Every podcast I get to know something new about the person, a different aspect of them, or something, how they, उनका perspective अगर change हुआ है, क्यों हुआ है, what experiences, and it is so, I don't know, for me it is very enriching. क्योंकि मेरे लिए तो that is what I'm looking out for, new experiences, new journeys, new stories of people and their lives. That is what I look forward every day, and that's for me, that learning is life. So I look forward to life every day and to life.
Wonderful.
So guys, this is for this week. अगले वीक हम वापस मिलेंगे एक नए गेस्ट के साथ, उनकी एक नई कहानी, उनकी जर्नी के साथ. Till then, stay happy, stay kind and stay grateful.